guys? It's another episode of Monday's Mail Call. I don't have a whole lot that has come in, but just the same, I thought I would share. So, a couple small packages. So, let's dig in and see what we got. I'll get my trusty letter opener. Make sure I don't stab myself here. That would be bad to catch live. I know what this one is. As many of you guys know, I focus a lot on the 452nd Bomb Group, 8th Air Force, which was my grandfather's bomb group. And I had this offered to me. It's the dog tag of it's like Donald A. Novak. And see if we can see this here. But anyways, I did some basic research, and if I recall, he was, I think he was 729th Bomb Squadron. But if I'm wrong, I will do an update and let you guys know. So that's a cool little tag for the collection. And this piece comes from a buddy of mine. Actually, that's kind of scary. I'm glad the contents weren't lost, but makes it easier for opening. This came from a buddy out in Louisiana, Bayou country. We worked a deal for this nice, I think this is technically a third pattern Marine Corps helmet cover. So this is a late World War II, or what you would have seen carried over into Korea. So got this bad boy. That'll come in nice. I'll do a reveal, but some of you guys have also probably seen some of my videos where I have shared little bits and bobs from my relationship with R.V. Bergen of the Pacific miniseries fame. He was represented in like 5 or 6 of the episodes, and the actor Martin McCann played Mr. Bergen in that series. But I have bits from him that the daughters of R.V. Bergen were clearing out his house, his outbuildings, and so on. And one of the items that they found was his old World War II. It's a swivel bale, but still it's a World War II helmet, and it was his. Don't know any history beyond that it was his helmet, but I am going to pair this helmet cover with that helmet for display purposes. But I will display in an upcoming video his helmet. But anyways, I have one more little package, and I know what this is too, but I'll share it with you guys. Dangerous with a knife. This is a bunch of original World War II Navy and Marine Corps ribbons, 1/2 inch. Some of the harder to find. And we have a little bit of everything in here. We've got some 1/2 inch Purple Heart ribbons, 1/2 inch Bronze Stars. We got some Presidential Unit Citations, or pucks. And then 1/2 inch Navy Cross. So there's a good selection. I got 2 and 3 of each kind. So those will hold for a while, keep me busy. So anyways, I have some other items that are en route. I was hopeful that they would be here today. Uh, you guys know that I'm an aviation enthusiast, so I buy anything that is of interest that's P-47, P-51, or B-17 related. And I'm not going to give out too much information because I want you to come back, but it'll be next Monday where I will have another mail call Monday and we'll open up packages together. So, again, I will specify items that come in for resale, for collection, or donation. And unfortunately for you guys, today's Mail Call Monday is strictly collection. So, but I still like to share the collection with you guys. So, until next Monday, I will catch you guys later.